First, the Screening Eagle brand came out of a discussion Marcel Posen and I had, because I was drinking a good wine and the Eagle brought us to really what it does. It has clever and very, very strong vision and eyes, and it's flying and observing the environment and looking after the targets. So I think it's really reflecting on what we are doing. At the same time, it's up in the cloud, so we will transfer the data into the cloud. And I think the Eagle reflects very well what we are doing. We are basically testing locally, and we have the most clever devices, and we are having that data in the cloud, stored in a virtual twin, where we have the whole medical record of the data and can start to predict what required maintenance is. And also we have somehow changed the thinking of our teams and of our clients by ticking differently, by not only thinking on a margin in selling a product, but by ticking in respect of value which you create, net present value of a property, which is the value of the construction, but more important, lifetime and maintenance cost, and last but not least disruption. Less disruption is bigger value, and nowadays in disruption we see cases where little cost creates big disruption if we have a tunnel or a bridge going down for some days. So I think Screening Eagle is a fantastic name what we are doing, and I'm extremely excited about this new technology and the new products.